Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing and flash modding an iPod I won in a giveaway. But first I'm going to need to tell you the backstory. If you just want to skip onto the unboxing and flash mod, then the timestamp is here. This all started out from me watching YouTube. I tend to watch a fair bit of YouTube and so I follow quite a few channels. I am a tech enthusiast, so I tend to mainly follow tech channels such as Linus Tech Tips and Hugh Jeffries, who are both awesome content creators. Thanks to Hugh Jeffries, I got pretty interested in phone repairs and started doing some myself, which I did as a hobby and also for some part-time income to spend. About 3 months ago, I watched Dankpods' third video, building a 1000GB Ipod Classic.
We're going all the way!
Seeing as I have a pretty big music library, I found this quite interesting and I subscribed. I consistently watched all of his videos for about 2 months after that. This brings us on to the topic of the giveaway. When the giveaway video came out, I watched the video as I had been doing for the past few months and joined the Discord, not just because of the giveaway. I actually had some constructive and interesting conversations. If you want to join the Discord, I will leave a link in the description. There are many friendly members on there who will help you with all your iPod queries. But anyway, I'd entered the giveaway and I was not expecting to win as there were around 7,000 entries when I had last checked. Lo and behold, I won. I was so surprised out of all the 7,000 people entered, I was the one who had won. As you can see here, this is my conversation with Dankpods about it. Around the start of January, he shipped it and I received it almost a month later, not surprising considering Australia to England postage. This takes us to now, and today I'm going to be unboxing and flash modding the iPod. So as you can see here, it was adequately packed for the long journey, otherwise it may have got damaged in shipping. But anyway, let's check out what's on the inside of this box. On the side you can see some really awesome drawings. I really appreciate the personal effort that went into this giveaway rather than just a generic prize. But now, let's crack it open. As you can see, there is another message on the inside, and everything he shipped is safely stored. Now we can take the content of the box out and see what's on the inside. As you can see, the first thing I picked out were tools. I do have a million of these however, but thanks anyway. The next item we took out was the compact flash adapter and the IDE board. Obviously it's an iFlash adapter because, well, next we have the battery, now lastly, this is the thing that you've been waiting for, the iPod itself. Here you can see the beautiful inscription, but without any further ado, I'm just going to get on with the flash mod. And there we have it, a fully functioning flash-modded iPod. Well, not quite. I used the iPod for a few minutes, and once it needed a charge, I plugged it into a 30-pin USB cable. Via the Discord, I found out that a lot of 4th gen iPods don't like charging by USB, and I invested in a Firewire charger. Unfortunately, this did not solve my problem, as when I received it, I attempted to charge, but it did not work. The iPod would only charge at certain angles. I even tested the charger with my iPod Nano and my iPod Video, and it seemed fine. Unfortunately, this means that the iPod needs a motherboard replacement. This is because the 30-pin connector is soldered onto the motherboard, rather than being a separate connection. I will be doing this replacement in a later video, so keep your eyes out. Unfortunately, there's nothing else to say apart from thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. But remember, Will loves you.